Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Soul hood. First, locate the primary hood release lever inside your vehicle. This lever is usually on the driver's side, down by the footwell, often marked with a car icon and an open hood. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a click as the first latch releases. This action will slightly pop the hood open, allowing you to proceed to the next step. Once the interior lever is pulled, walk to the front of your Kia Soul. The hood will be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully reach your hand into this gap, right around the center of the hood's edge. You'll be looking for a secondary safety latch. This is a small lever or tab that prevents the hood from flying open accidentally. It's usually easy to find by feel. With your fingers, either push or pull the secondary safety latch. The exact motion can vary slightly, but it will fully release the hood. Once released, gently lift the hood all the way up. Be mindful of the hinges and ensure it clears any obstructions. Finally, locate the prop rod, usually attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay, and insert it into the designated hole to securely hold the hood open. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support and secure it back in its clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 6 to 8 inches from fully closing. Do not force it down. From this height, let the hood drop or press down firmly with both hands to engage both the primary and secondary latches. You should hear 2 distinct clicks, confirming it's securely closed. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.